AC power sensor. AC power sensor is to wirelessly monitor unexpected power supply issues in your business or in an industrial application. This power failure detection sensor provides regular updates of the power status on one or many users' smart device or PC. When power fails or is restored, an immediate RF signal is sent from the sensor, which can send an alert to end users. The sensor can also directly trigger a local RF receiver to switch any local apparatus, be it an alarm sounder, a backup generator, or any as may be desired. This device is housed in waterproof IPCC8 enclosure, which can be mounted indoors or outdoors. The sensor must be used in conjunction with RF Solutions RIoT Mini-Hub. The RF Solutions AC power sensor monitors the presence of a 110 to 230 volt AC power line and provides regular updates of the power status on one or many users' smartphones or websites. When supply mains power fails or is restored, an immediate RF signal is sent from the sensor. This can also directly trigger a local RF receiver to switch any local apparatus such as alarm sounder, backup generator, or any such load. Applications. RF Solutions AC power sensors are used to wirelessly monitor the status of AC power in various applications. These sensors are part of a larger RF Solutions product line of IoT and wireless monitoring solutions. Applications are found in industrial and commercial. The primary objective is to detect power outages or dips in industrial and commercial settings. Users can remotely monitor the power status of equipment or facilities remotely via smartphone apps or online platforms. The AC power sensor can trigger local actions such as activating backup generators, sound alarms, or controlling other devices when power is lost or restored. For preventive maintenance purposes, the AC power sensor transmitter has the capability to track power fluctuations, in which users can identify potential issues and address them before they cause significant problems. The specific examples include 1. In data centers, it is implemented for monitoring power to ensure continuous operation and identify potential power-related issues. 2. In manufacturing facilities, it is used for tracking power to critical equipment and processes to prevent downtime. 3. Remote sites is for monitoring power in locations without constant human presence, such as remote communication towers or pumping stations. Key features of AC power sensor transmitter. The RF Solutions AC power sensor transmitter utilizes RF signals for communication, providing flexibility in installation and deployment. The power sensor transmitter is designed to work with RF Solutions RIoT-Hub for centralized monitoring and control, providing up to 3 kilometers range in line of sight. The AC power sensor transmitter is housed in weatherproof enclosures rated IPCC8, allowing for outdoor or harsh environment use. Users can access data and manage alerts through dedicated mobile applications and online platforms. In overall, RF Solutions AC power sensors offer a reliable and efficient way to monitor and manage power availability in various critical applications, helping to prevent downtime and optimize operational efficiency.